Hey guys, let's take a look at chapter 4. So, chapter 4 is introducing loops and strings and tuples, and we just got done talking about all those. So, I think you're pretty much prepared for what the book is going to show you. It's going to show you examples of how to make a little game, to print out different things, and it's kind of fun. If you have the time, and I know you know, I'm letting you guys, having you guys do a lot of work, so I understand that you may not have all the time to do the code. At least read through the chapter. If you have the time, go ahead and try typing out the code. Remember that the book author actually has the code available for download, so you can download and open their code and run it. Sometimes just the act of interacting with the code is useful. I think I've made it so that you'll be able to get through the chapter pretty quickly because we've talked about so many things, such as a range operator. Now, I didn't show you the example of, I've shown you the example of how to use range, but not in the same context as what he did here. So there will be things like counting backwards, etc., that you'll want to know. So make sure you do take time to go through and read the chapter, because as always, there's going to be things in the chapter I just don't cover. But of course, there'll be other things that I do cover. And you'll notice that he's got the if-else statement going on, he's got the length function, he's got the in operator. All those things should be pretty straightforward. When he talks about string immutability and the fact that you get a new object, again, he explains it a little bit different than me, but it should make some kind of sense. This is where the book starts getting more difficult. One of the complaints about the book is that it starts off really quite easy and then it ramps up very, very quickly. This is the beginning of the upslope. So take some time, go through it, and make sure you kind of understand what's going on here. If you have any problems, make sure you put them in the discussion group and try to help each other. Building connections in the UW classes is really great, and many of these people will go on to take the Python certificate with you, or maybe the C# or .NET programming certificate. So it may well be that you interact with these folks at a later point in time, and these professional relationships can really help your career long term. So try to help each other out. I think you're well prepared for chapter 4, so I'll let you get to it. I'll talk to you later.